So the goal is to get it into that pool down there.
The moment someone lands in that pool,
it's gonna be all shit hell. It's gonna break loose.
It's gonna break loose.
Break freaking loose!
He's thinking of his name. We need to name Chris. We need to name for your plane.
Yeah.
We need the name of your plane.
The name, we always name the planes.
Name.
Keep friends
name.
Address.
That's too fucking long.
Last pilot over.
Alright, go ahead.
So far.
First time flyers.
Alright, do it. Alright. So this is the juicy one.
Ooh, Vivian, no.
Viola.
Vixen.
Vixen.
Baby, the baby.
Barchetta?
Yeah, Barchetta. It says Barchetta right there.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Alright.
Of the Juicy 2 with slight modifications, sponsored by Juice from the Box. Emily, you are our first time pilot. What is the name of your plane?
Top the six. So this is Smart Swiftly Dose.
The name of my plane is the Kia Double Decker.
What is that? The bacon? We got the
Baconator.
bacon. The Baconator.
The dope the shit plane.
The dopest ship plane is about to go.
The plane is called Harry.
Alright.
Because it says it somewhere here.
Alright.
I think it's got a good chance.
Back there with Sue. Alright, you ready to do this?
I don't know about Sue. I don't think they quite got their heads on straight.
You don't think Sue's just a starter company?
They're amateurs.
Amateurs? Okay.
What is this? Amateur hour?
Yeah, I guess.
We're
Sue.
flying planes. This is some
Alright.
serious business.
We're gonna see the Harry.
Oh, no way.
Oh no, quad plane.
Forward Vidcon.
Are these the
It is a piece of paper. Okay, ready? Here we go. I believe you.
Oh my god.
Come on, Sue.
Ready?
Oh!
Oh!
That for sure got like the most distance ever.
Nice.
Connor and Cupid and Connor and...
No.
It has the speed of a reindeer
I don't know the names of these
and the
names.
heart of Christmas.
Yes, here we go. Run like the wind, Vixen.
Or fall.
It did have a lot of weight to it.
It just died.
Very good. Vixen just fell.
It's because of the loss of the Christmas spirit.
Emily, dopest ship.
You can't have a second throw. That is your throw.
Throw it away. Oh wait, no, you're right.
Oh! Nose dive. It's going out of the park. It's going out of the park.
Oh, dude, that went mad far.
Yes, go ahead. You may recognize this plane because it actually made it over the roof. The only one to do so of its kind so far. So we retrieved him and he's ready for flight 2.
I see he's sponsored by Juice from the Box.
Also sponsored by Juice in the Box.
It died hard. The Baconator has fallen. The Baconator has failed and it has burned in a crash. Fiery death. How do you feel about that? You'd rather not talk about it? Oh, it is an utter failure.
That definitely.
Utter failure. You cannot say it.
So many backflips.
I did.
Sturdy, very firm.
Whoa, wow, okay. That'll work.
We have a rogue pilot who decided to just go for it.
We've got
Emily, how do you feel about your first flight?
Wait, I'm so confused. Why are you so freaking out?
Oh. The Baconator has cleared the roof. Now, will somebody make it in the pool? Let's see. Dude, he went sideways and got it on 3 balconies over.
No.
Yeah. It's so great. Oh,
Here we go.
that is gone.
Back in, it's probably on a balcony.
Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen, with the assistance of the Glide hat, we went ahead and relaunched the Juicy 2 and it has made it in the pool. It is in the pool. We have made it in the pool. Oh my god.
It's down there.
The Juicy 2 is in the pool, ladies and gentlemen. You can't see it, but there is a pool down there and there is a paper airplane in it and it is fucking glorious. Poolside. And we have confirmed that the Juicy 2 has made it in the pool.
Juicy number 2.